In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master ClickUp with these 9 tips to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Whether you're a ClickUp veteran or just starting out, these hacks are sure to enhance your experience. Let's dive right in with our first tip, using Me Mode to focus. Me Mode is your new best friend in ClickUp, especially if you find yourself getting overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks on your plate. By clicking Me Mode in the top right corner, you can instantly hide all tasks that aren't directly assigned to you. This little trick is incredibly effective for minimizing distractions and truly zeroing in on your personal to-do list, keeping your productivity levels high. Next, let's look at how you can leverage the Quick Create feature. By hitting T on your keyboard, you can create a new task in ClickUp from virtually anywhere. This is perfect for those spur-of-the-moment ideas or tasks that pop into your head while you're in the middle of something else. It allows you to quickly capture these thoughts without the need to navigate away from your current work, ensuring that no idea is forgotten. Now, on to building a daily dashboard, which serves as a personal command center for all your work activities. You can create a dashboard tailored to your needs by adding widgets for My Assigned Tasks and time tracking. This setup offers a centralized view of everything you need to focus on for the day, seamlessly blending your tasks and time management in one helpful hub. For tasks you find yourself doing repeatedly, make use of task templates. By creating a template for any recurring workflow, you can pre-populate subtasks and checklists, saving time and ensuring consistency. This means fewer steps missed along the way, and your team can keep the quality and efficiency of work high. Automation can also be a powerful ally. Set up a rule such as automatically assigning a task to an editor once its status changes to ready for review. This not only eliminates the back and forth of manual communication, but also speeds up your overall workflow, allowing the team to focus more on the work that truly matters. Another important feature is setting a default view for your team, like board or calendar. This ensures everyone sees the information in the same way, reducing confusion. Having this uniformity in your team's perspective allows for smoother collaboration and fewer misunderstandings. Don't forget to leverage the built-in time tracking feature on every task. This is crucial for gaining insight into where your time is being spent. It also helps in accurately quoting future projects, as you'll have reliable data backing your estimates. Mastery of the / command can significantly boost your efficiency. Typing nos bam in a task description allows you to add checklists, dividers, and even embedded content quickly. This makes your task creation process faster and your documentation richer. Finally, consider using roll-up fields to track progress. By creating a custom field in a parent task, you can automatically sum up data from subtasks, such as the total budget. This gives you an automated, high-level overview of the project's health without manual effort. By implementing these tips, you'll find yourself navigating ClickUp with greater confidence and efficiency, ultimately streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!